Hi, my name's Aaron Moore, and I'm the co-founder of the CPIA. And I want to congratulate you on finding the Emerging Leaders Program here at the CPIA and taking the first steps on either expanding the commercial painting business that you already have, or looking to get into the commercial painting and diversify from residential into commercial painting. So, why did we decide to offer this program? Well, the main reason we decided to offer is to kind of dispel the myth that the CPIA is all about the big guys. It's all big commercial painting contractors, and and what I've heard in asking people and talking to people is that could be an intimidating place. I don't know if I'll belong there, and you do belong here. Um, you know, we wanted to give everyone in the industry the ability to not only get involved in commercial painting, expand their business into commercial painting, but also have access to those that are actually doing it in the commercial painting world. So while we do have a lot of the largest painting contractors in the country and quite frankly around the world doing this, we thought, what a better way to give back and support our industry than to help bring up those around us who want to get into commercial painting. So why commercial? Right now, we all kind of know that residential painting's soft. I mean, interest rates are high. Access to capital is low. Home equity is eroding, and it's just hard to come up with money without people moving. There's very little people moving because, quite frankly, you double your payment if you kept the same mortgage amount with interest rates if you had gotten a house just as recently as 2 or 3 years ago. So you have to kind of consider diversifying into commercial painting. And a lot of the benefits of commercial painting are larger job size, professional buyers, people that repeat business over and over. You think you paint the exterior of someone's house, if they don't move, you don't see them again for ages. Found a property manager who manages 50 properties, multiple of those properties have to be painted every year. So there's a lot of reasons to get into commercial, but there's also some significant risks. These larger job sites for smaller contractors can dominate your capacity and not allow you to pay attention to the companies that you work with now, or the clients that you work with now. They can often pace slow, stretching cash flow. They have contractual needs where you might not meet insurance requirements, or you might not understand what you're signing up for, and then can lead to litigation. There may be a skills gap in the current employees that you have if you take on projects that are outside of the scope of what you're used to. So what we did with the Emerging Leaders Program is we kind of put together this comprehensive program to give you the foundation that you'll need to succeed in commercial painting and give you kind of some of the stuff to skip some of those pitfalls that you might run into, or some of those things like, okay, so how do I not get into a cash flow crunch? We're going to go through some of those things. How do I look at the projects that are ideal for my skill set and for my crew size? So that was really the impetus of it and what we plan to do. What we're going to be doing, what we'll do in the class is we've brought in the best from our industry association and those in the industry that specialize in this to present a full program inside our conference just for the Emerging Leaders Program that will be moderated and led, which will give you the step-by-step and let you walk away with a plan for here's how I'm going to expand my business through the use of commercial painting. Different than a lot of the things that I see out there online, all the guru types that are just going to sell you a generic marketing program. I'm going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to tell you how to do it. I'm not going to tell you how to do it. I'm going to bring in the best in the industry that are doing that in their business now, that are actually doers, to teach you the mistakes they've made, teach you how to bypass some of this stuff, teach you how to get into the commercial painting industry. And so I hope you'll apply. There's a few things that we'll need. You just click on the apply now button, and it'll take you to a quick Google form. And all you got to do is just fill out your name, some information about your company. We ask that the requirement for the program is that you are less than $1.5 million in revenue, and you do less than $1 million in commercial revenue per year. That's where we think you'll take the most advantage of this curriculum, and that's what we're catering the curriculum to when we talk to the other presenters and the people that will be involved in presenting the curriculum. So take a minute, fill that out. We also ask one other thing. We need two references, one being a supplier and one being a professional, which would be another painting contractor, just to say like, hey, this guy's actually engaged, this guy wants to do it, because we're not really looking to bring in people to just give out our information for people who are just going to sell it off to somebody else, or, you know, turn into the world's next guru. We're really trying to find people who are dedicated to their business. We're capping this at 50 attendees, so there's only going to be 50 spots available. But the best part is we're giving 50% off the registration to CPIA Emerging Leaders Program. I hope I'll see you there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, or just please fill out the application, and we'll talk soon. Have a great day.